Came from Australia, what did we expect? No idea. We did our research, but when you get here, it's nothing like you've ever experienced. It'll be beyond your dreams. Riding through the country, being able to take my wife with me on the support vehicle with the tour, it was fantastic. A great experience with personalities, drivers, and the guide in the car. And of course, riding with Kandu on the bikes. Riding the old Himalaya through the mountains. The mountains in Bhutan and the country, the people. Admittedly, there are a lot of dogs, a lot of cows wandering the roads. Don't chase you, they're all very friendly. Everybody's friendly. Everybody's friendly, from the dogs and the cows, the yaks. Monkeys. The accommodation is great. We left it to Kandu to organise. We didn't dictate anything, and we were very comfortable with everything. A little bit of trouble with Wi-Fi in a few places, but we figured that out, and we're here for a holiday, so why bother? So it's really beyond our expectations, and certainly recommend it to anybody to come and experience this beautiful country. And being from Australia, of course, Bhutan is totally different. Different experience. A little bit scary on the bike at times, riding through these little narrow roads. Bhutan is doing a great job building these fantastic roads through very difficult conditions. Countries like Japan are assisting with some of the bridges and building. And I've ridden through Japan, and Bhutan is everything that Japan is. So perhaps Mary might talk about her experiences riding in my support vehicle rather than me on the bike. But the bike experience I'd recommend to anybody.
Well, I really enjoyed the time in the four-wheel drive. It was very comfortable and very cosy when the weather outside was quite brisk. And I had the guide, and I could stop whenever I wanted to take a photograph. The meals were good. There was always water and chocolates on tap, and yes, it was a wonderful holiday. It was very relaxing. The beds were warm, always hot showers.
The cultural experience, I think, with
Yes.
Nima as well. Kandu's guide was really terrific, stopping at some amazing temples, and today we visited the two forts, one in Trongsa and one in Punaka, and absolutely brilliant. The interiors, as an architect, were just blew me away. And actually, architecturally, coming to Bhutan, and if you said you had to design a country with all the same buildings, you'd say that'd be very boring. But in fact, Bhutan has retained its history and its culture throughout its, whether it's a farmhouse, a shack, or a temple, or a fort. There's the same theme of architecture throughout, which makes this beautiful, sort of adds to the mountains and the scenery, the environment here. And it's beautiful, it's not boring at all, it's spectacular.
My review, my impression. Honestly, I have to say, Kandu, it was everything I wanted and more. Bikes were great. The roads were amazing. No traffic, which so it was like free riding the whole time. And I was very impressed with all the cultural things that we did. Dorji telling me 1,000 stories of everything about Bhutan's history, which I thought was very, very interesting and I didn't expect to learn. The village homestay was a great experience. The highways, the dirt roads, the low elevation in the valley, then the Dochula Pass at 10,000 feet was incredible. So thank you, and I'll come back next time.
It's Sachin, I'm Anand, Deepak, three amigos from Mumbai, here in Bhutan for an adventure, and
with Kandu. So the three of us did a Sikkim ride together last year.
Yeah.
And I don't know about them, but I wasn't prepared. I didn't have waterproof boots, I didn't have the right gear. And it's a beautiful place, Sikkim, but I really suffered. And I said, I have to go back to the mountains. And then we kept thinking, we go to Bhutan. Anand found Kandu from...
I did a web search, and the only name it threw up was Kandu's name.
Kandu had great reviews. We believe in reviews and ratings.
Yeah.
And he had 5-star ratings.
Yeah.
So...
And they were all right. They were all correct. We spent 4 days with Kandu now. And we can tell you unequivocally that all the reviews are spot on.
Yeah, we had great weather, we had great roads, everything we wanted we've got. We have smooth tarmac. We got all this madness behind us.
Look at this. Ride of a lifetime.
Yeah, and
Outstanding.
We got nice hotels. We got great company. We got Khandu. We got Nima the guide. Everything's perfect.
And I think Bhutan has also exceeded our expectations. Great roads for riding, super friendly people, and truly it is the kingdom of happiness. And the best way to see it, in our opinion, is with Khandu.
Yeah, and I don't know. At least I've been waking up very happy. You know, my nose is clear. There's no pollution.
Yeah,
I go
actually.
to the breakfast.
No honking. No honking. Great, it's
and
fantastic.
there's such a cute girl saying, "Good morning, sir. Would you like some tea?" I said, "I want everything you give me."
And the hotels, outstanding, spectacular
Yeah.
hotels, really
Yeah.
comfortable, well organized.
I was here last year. Obviously, didn't get enough of it, so I had to come back again.
Yeah.
And hopefully, we'll be back again.
Yeah, we're
Who knows?
definitely coming back.
Three Amigos will be back.
If Khandu can tolerate us again, we'll be here.
If Khandu can do it, we can do it.
Yeah. And Khandu is can do.
Yeah.
Watch out for part 2.
Yeah. Oh no, food was amazing as well. And I think the main thing is, like, I mean, Bhutan is amazing and there's plenty of information about that out there. The thing about experiencing it in a different way on a motorcycle, I think is the key. And there it's about, it is not as complicated as one might think. So just, you don't have to be an expert rider or anything to do that. I think that's the key point.
So enjoying your ride? We're enjoying our ride a lot. Beautiful people, and it's very safe to ride alone or with a company. We're at a beautiful place. This is a sacred place for the dead, where they honor the spirits of the dead people. And all of Bhutan, I think, is more of a spiritual place and natural place. What do you think?
Exactly the same thing. I think you covered most of it. It's a beautiful country.
Okay, let me ask something. Since you came from different place, okay, what is your opinion on each other? In the beginning, I think BT must have thought you will be riding alone, or of course you have asked for company.
Yes, yes, that's very true. I thought I was going to be riding alone, but it turns out.
No, but how will you feel if you are going to be riding alone?
Also fine. I mean, we've been taken good care of, so
Okay.
it's okay alone.
So how did you know about me?
How did I know about you?
Yeah.
Internet. I think I just did a Google search, and then you came up on Facebook.
Yeah, but there are lots of scammers. I can be a scammer. I can be a terrorist.
Sure.
I can be a rapist.
I